After a car accident, one of the biggest questions you'll likely have is how much compensation am I entitled to? The answer isn't always straightforward, but understanding what goes into calculating compensation can help you make informed decisions about your claim. When calculating compensation, there are two key categories of damages: economic damages and non-economic damages. Now let's break down these damages to see what they mean. Economic damages are the actual financial loss you've experienced because of the accident. These include things like medical expenses, everything from ER visits and surgeries to follow-up treatments and physical therapy. It also includes lost wages if your injuries have kept you out of work, and even potential future income if you're unable to return to your previous job or work in the same capacity. But it doesn't stop there. You may also be entitled to compensation for property damage, like the cost to repair or replace your vehicle, as well as the out-of-pocket expenses such as transportation to medical appointments or hiring help around the house while you recover. Now, non-economic damages are where things get more complicated. These are the intangible losses that don't come with a receipt, but can still have a significant impact on your life. Pain and suffering, emotional distress, loss of enjoyment of life, and even the strain on your personal relationships can all factor into non-economic damages. Because these losses are subjective, they can be harder to quantify, which is why having an experienced attorney can make a big difference. Insurance companies often try to downplay non-economic damages or ignore them altogether because they know these are the most difficult to prove. That's where we come in. At Harman Law, we know how to document these losses and present a compelling case for your full compensation that you deserve. One more thing to keep in mind. North Carolina follows what's called contributory negligence. This means if you're found even slightly at fault for the accident, you could be barred from recovering any compensation. Because of this, it's critical to have someone on your side who understands how to build a strong case and protect your rights. At the end of the day, calculating compensation isn't about throwing out a random number. It's about carefully considering every way the accident has impacted your life, both now and in the future. Thank you for watching. Take care.